faster charging stations are needed around today's need? The questions are very simple. How many vehicles? How many chargers? What does the site need today? But charging demand can grow fast. A fleet may start with 10 EVs and grow to 30s in a few years. And more vehicles need charging at the same time, so operators start looking for more charging stations. It sounds simple, just add more charger, but many sites do not have much more space. Parking lots are fixed, cable pads are hard to change, equipment areas may already be full. For many projects, the hard part is not only adding the equipment, it's finding the right place for it. The real question is not only how many chargers you need today, it's how easily your site can add more charger later. A better way is to choose a charging system that can give you more flexibility as your site grows. That's why PowerFlex comes in. With split design, power cabinet and charging dispenser can be installed separately to greater site layout flexibility. This design offers great flexibility in site layout planning and subsequent intention. For space limit, this helps operators add more charging stations without changing the whole site layout.